So, you want to make money in 2023. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Heather, and today we're talking about 2023 and how it's not too late to reach your goals. Here we go. We all want to make money in 2023, but maybe we just don't know where to get started. So, today I'm going to break down the 4 things that you need before you even think about getting started. And don't worry, it's not too late. 2023 still has almost 4 full months left, and that's plenty of time to help you get started. So, let's dive into the 4 things that you need before you can even think about starting a business. Let's go. We all tend to get stuck in the rabbit hole, right? Whether that's social media or learning, sometimes we just keep going and going and fail to take action. Well, today I'm going to give you 4 things that you need to do before you start your business. And once you know these 4 things, you can take quick action and get started as quickly as possible. So, step number 1, or thing number 1 that you need an idea. You need to have some idea of what problem it is that you solve. I see too many people showing up on social media saying they're a digital marketer, and they have no idea what they're a digital marketer for. So have an idea of who it is that you want to help, how you want to help them, and maybe what product that is that you're going to use to help solve that problem. Item number 2 that you need to get started in your business is you need a place to be able to capture your lead information and deliver content. It actually is number 2 and number 3. So you need a place. Usually it's a website, but I actually will caution against going out and spending a ton of money on a website. You really just need a landing page where people can put in their information and it goes to your email marketing list. So you need a website or landing page and an email marketing platform. So that's number 2 and number 3. And number 4 is your content platform. Because to get started, you want to have a place where you can grow organically and test things out before you start spending money, if you even decide to spend money on advertising. So you want to pick what social media platform it may be that you want to be on. Confused and not sure exactly which platform is right for you, I actually created a guide for you that may break it down for you to help you make your decision a little bit easier. You can get that. The information is over in the show notes, but we're going to step back a little bit and go back to step number 2 and number 3. A landing page and an email platform. And actually, that's why I'm here today. Before we can make money, how about we save a little bit of money? I know when I started my entrepreneurial journey, I paid big money to have a website. I paid big money to have an email marketing platform to speak to my website. So then I had to connect the two and use another tool to do that. And they all cost a little bit of money. Okay, not a lot, but piecing it all together over time, it ended up costing a lot of money to host the website, the email platform, and my landing pages. So that was probably a good $75 to $100 a month alone just for those 3 things. And I hadn't even gotten started. So I actually am going to take you behind the scenes and show you all about BuilderAll. And why am I talking about this today? This is actually time sensitive. They are launching BuilderAll 6.0 on Friday, September 15th. And if you get in now, you will lock in your price for 1 year. Super awesome deal. Every single tool that you need is inside this platform. And there's so much learning in addition to that, because the 2 things that I invest in is my platform and in my learning. So if you are serious about growing your business in the last quarter of 2023, you can do that using BuilderAll. And I will show you how over the next couple of days, how to build your first funnel, your freebie funnel, super quick, super easy, in just a few steps. So without further ado, I'm going to share my screen and we're going to dive in. Okay, so let's get over here to BuilderAll, and I'm just going to show you first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the different plans that BuilderAll has, and I will have the link to BuilderAll using my affiliate code. You get a free 14-day trial. So lock in now, get your free trial, and it's a win-win situation. I would actually say to purchase the package that you want now because it'll lock in the price and not worry so much about the 14-day free trial. I know, easy for me to say it's not my money, but I'm going to tell you this is the best money I spend every single month. I spend less than $100 on this, and I will show you everything that it has. So we're going to actually, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the different plans. So let's cross that. We're going to show you the different plans. So the starter package starts at $37 a month. You get 1 domain, 3 subdomains, 2,000 subscribers. So you have 2,000 people that you can put on your email list, and 2 gigs of disk space. I've never run out of disk space. I don't really know how much an average website takes. The next version is a $77 a month, 3 domains, 5 subdomains, and 5,000 subscribers. Most definitely that would be big enough for the average entrepreneur. Great place to start, in my opinion, because chances are you're going to have more than one funnel going, which is great to have the subdomains, because I have all my funnels operating off of a subdomain. I personally love the premium package. Why? It's a great way to start a business. You can actually host them for other people if you want it. You have unlimited subdomains, 10,000 subscribers, so lots of space for growth. And you can easily upgrade to the higher end one. I'm in Funnel Club. You have so many additional funnels available for yourself. Everything else is the same. You just have 25,000 subscribers allowed in that. So a lot of different features, and we're going to go down here and I'm going to show you all of them. BuilderAll Builder is your website or funnel builder. Mailing Boss is your email marketing platform. Booking Builder, so you no longer need an additional booking website. You can do it all right in here, and it integrates with your Google Calendar. SMS messaging, so you can actually text your leads from within the platform. Has WhatsApp a bunch of WhatsApp tools in there. I don't use that, so I'm not super familiar with that, as well as the Telegram automation. So if you are familiar with those platforms, they are growing, and it seems to be that people are asking for them. You can build your own course in here. You can do a webinar in here, and actually even do a evergreen webinar. So that's pretty cool. A quiz builder, or really your creativity limits you here. You can actually use it as a survey builder or all different things. You can make professional looking magazines. So if you have a monthly newsletter, you can have it look like a magazine. Tons of funnels for you to templates that you can use for that. You can host all your videos here. So if you use videos in your sales, no longer need to put them on YouTube or Vimeo. You can, but you also have space on BuilderAll to do that. Chat Builder, which is pretty cool. You usually see very professional websites having that. I love this one, and you can build a business just from this. You can do an Instagram or Facebook Messenger chatbot. You can sell those services for up to $1,000. People are paying for that. You can also do a help desk chatbot, and you can service those clients for that. You can build a help desk. Project management tools. So think of Asana or Trello boards. This has its own. It is white labeled, so you can actually sell that and become a project management agency. And there's actually a course that shows you exactly how to do that and how to price it, and even the worksheets to go along with that. It has a CRM, it has WordPress plugins, and it gives you access for team members. So if you have a virtual assistant, social media marketer, or anything like that, it has access for that. A lot of things are not even listed on here. It has a social auto posting tool. which is actually how in 2023 I was able to level up my game by providing social media services to other people, basically creating the content for them. So we're going to take you behind the scenes, and I'm just going to show you a few things. So this is your dashboard. This is what it looks like. I've got 5 courses going, only 6 people in there because I'm not actually really marketing them. It's really just a digital guidebook that I set up. So these are all the different tools. And again, everything is here for you. Website, booking, e-learner. This is SMS texting. Let's see, where is my social auto posting? I'm just going to show that to you because you can see how I'm using it. And I actually generate income that pays for my membership here in BuilderAll just with this one tool alone. So right now I have 927 posts on LinkedIn created. I have I have a bunch of pages connected, but all my clients are using this for their LinkedIn marketing. And I will show you my account. This is let me show you my LinkedIn account. Here we go. So we're going to create a new post. We're going to do a LinkedIn post. And I'm going to pick this one. That's my account. So you post it in here. It looks very similar. And now you can actually see your engagement on right inside here in the tool. So I just wanted to share that with you that you can piece. I'm going to stop sharing actually. So I just wanted to share with you that getting started doesn't have to be difficult. You don't need to learn a bunch of tools. It can actually be really simple, one low price. I even got rid of my Zoom membership because one, I didn't want to spend all my days on Zoom calls, and I limit my calls to 30 minutes. So I don't have to pay for that. So that was one other thing that I was paying for. So things that I cut immediately and saved me a bunch of money is I cut my web hosting. I cut Zoom, I cut my calendar, I hosted my lead magnets in, I don't even remember, I think it was Mediafire. I was able to cancel that. It's all housed right in there. And it's just one of the best tools. So if you have any questions or want to see something actually in action, let me know. I'd be happy to jump in and do a tutorial. The next couple of days, I'm actually going to build a funnel live right here on YouTube. And I encourage you to follow along and watch. And obviously, BuilderAll is one of my core affiliate programs that I suggest because I use and love it. And I know it's a great resource for entrepreneurs. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, be sure to follow and subscribe so you never miss a video from me. We'll see y'all soon. Have a great one. Take care. Bye.